It is Wednesday, November 25th, 2020, 9:45 a.m. And here is the furnace that does the second half of that main level running. You can see the burners in there. Looks like the energy guide's peeling off. Here's the flue pipe. Never noticed that before. Anyway, it is in the 40s right now with high humidity. And it does not sound like the gas stream heat pump's running, but let's take a look at it anyway. It might fire up. Yeah, it definitely has been running. Oh, there it goes. Starting to get warm. And strangely enough, tomorrow on Thanksgiving it will be in the 70s, so there's a possibility of firing up the central air. Especially with the turkey heating up, the oven heating up the house when cooking turkey. Yeah, I plan to do a startup shutdown of one of the furnaces sometime next month, or when it gets really, really cold out. Next week it'll be in the 20s. But I don't know if I'll get the chance to do the video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.